Hello everybody, my name is Gatis Kandis and today I will answer even more questions. So without further ado, first question. Gatis, what does nansuits mean? It means send your pictures wearing a winter coat. Gatis, on a scale of 5 to 38, how cool are you? I am 37 degrees cool. Gatis, please make me smarter. Okay, your wish is my command. And now you are smarter. You're welcome. What are you keeping in your cap? In my cap I am keeping apple and a banana. Am I funny? You are. Occasionally quite funny. My favorite Russian. Well, I don't think I've ever said that I'm Russian, but if you're wondering, I am actually 25% Russian. Do you like hentai? All real men do. Gatis, do you like long bananas? Well, it depends how much time I got, because if I have little time, then no, because the longer the banana, the longer it takes to eat it, but if I have loads of time, then yes. Gatis, can I take you to prom? Well, let me check my schedule, and also let me ask my girlfriend, see what she says about that. Why is a tomato a tomato? Because they are cousins. How can this be real? It just is. Gatis, do you like to play with chicken? Occasionally I do. Can you squat? Okay. Happy now? Hello, you thought I was gone, but no, I was just squatting. Did you know Gatis Kandis is Sidnag Sitag backwards and it means nothing? I had no clue about that. Gatis Kandis, can I be next QnA and can you speak Italian, please? Okay. Italiano, pizza, pepperoni. Gatis, do you like girls? Well, it depends. My friend got jealous because my comment got in your video. Can you put my comment in your video again so he gets even more jealous? No, I will not do that because jealousy is not a good thing. Gatti, ludu pasaki kure zivoju. Tu divo ushi zameslu vodes. Do you like banananas or apples? I like both, therefore I got both here. Here they are. Gattis, my girlfriend wants to leave me. What should I do? Give her my address. Fat goat says 138 comment. I think the fat goat is not actually fat. As you can see, she's actually a slender goat. But I guess like today's media make you think that you're fat, but you're actually not fat at all. So goat, maybe you should change your username to slender goat. Gattis, a joke by me for you. Free use authorized. What did one man whisper to the other man? I don't know, because I couldn't hear. It's a good joke, I like it. What does a chicken do better than you? Chicken lays eggs better than me because I can't even do it, no matter how hard I try. Do you sneak dog bats? I'm curious. I don't do that, even I love dogs, I don't love them quite that much. Gatis, who is behind you? I don't know, I don't see anybody. Do you see anybody? I'm not sure.